So today we are pulling up the potatoes. Most of them are done. Like some of them have a little bit of green on them, but most of them are yellow or dyed back. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull them all up and we'll see what's in there. Off we go. Feel something. Little one. Little one. That one was a really small one. There might not be much else under here. Alright, next. Whoops. There's the seed potato, all mushy. See the seed potato over here. Maybe it's like completely mushy. Alright, this one hopefully is more promising. Oh my. Oh, that's a nice one. God, this one's tough to pull. Hopefully that's a good sign. There's something here. Whoops. Guess we're gonna have to eat that one. I just pulled a just pulled a chunk out of it. I'll put my pile of debris over here. I'll keep going. Oh, I feel stuff under there. Oh, this looks like it's the seed potato. Is it? I don't know. Right. Whoops. I love that sound. Really nice ones this year. That's the seed potato. This mushy thing is the seed potato. It's gonna lift the whole thing up. Alright. Feel stuff here. Potatoes are the one thing where you don't really know what you're gonna get until you dig. These are all Yukon Gold. I planted, last year what did I plant last year? I don't remember. It was a red potato. And it was my first time growing potatoes, so I didn't really know what to expect, to be honest. And I wanted to grow them again just for this process alone, because it's so fun to harvest. All right. And already these ones are doing better than last year's potatoes. So we're going to have a lot. This is the seed potato. This one's already all completely died back. And the Yukon Gold potatoes it's a determinate variety, which means you don't have to hill them. So they all kind of grow in one layer just underneath the soil. Oh, there's the seed potato. Oof. My marigold here. I don't feel anything else here. Oh, all right. Oh, jeez. That's a weed. Seed potato. And I had left the seed potatoes whole just to see how they did. Well, plus I had so many, it made no sense to cut them up into smaller pieces, but you certainly could. Right. Go on the other side. So far, this is what we've got. I'll leave this here actually. It'll be easier to reach into. All right. Oh. See one here. One here. Wow. I am really happy with these this year. Amazing. Whoop, seed potato. Whoosh. Whooshy. And I had already pulled up 3 plants, I think, and then I wanted to wait and let them go a little bit longer, let them die back a little bit more. So I don't think there's anything here. I think this is the sweet potato. What is going on here? Unless this is one of the ones that I had pulled up, which is possible because there's not much under there. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This, I believe, is the sweet potato. This is not. Yeah, that's the sweet potato. Let's see if there's anything else under here. All right, last two. See the sweet potato here, it's all mushy. All right, last one. This is one or two. Shoot. Sweet potato. Mushy. I think that is it. We will do one last pass just to make sure I didn't forget anything. I think we got done the leaf. Check on this side. What's this? I think that's just roots. All right, I think we're done, guys. All right. So, that's actually pretty good. I had 20 plants in this bed, 10 on each side, I think. And I'll weigh these. I already weighed the ones that I harvested previously, and then we'll see what the tally is, and I'll put it up on screen to know what our haul is this year. But already, I'm already super happy with these. We had most of the potatoes we had last year were tiny, probably not even this big. Oh, there's green there. So we can't eat that part. I'm gonna cut that off. Oh, this is a sweet potato. I'm sure of it now that I could see it against the other ones. But I am really happy with this haul. That's awesome.